Oh, I would pick hottest day at year to film for you guys.
It's so damn hot. Milk was a bad choice.
What's up guys, Parkes Plumbing? Man, kinda hot in these rhinos. You just caught me in the middle of making a new toolbox for oil. I'm gonna use this classic Stanley Fat Max box from way back when. Load it out with some stuff for oil because, you know, as well, some of you might not know, but it gets a bit dirty, so let's load it out. It's a classic box, this one. It's got 3 cantilever, or maybe 2. It's got like a top shelf, middle and a bottom. So I'm thinking, obviously gloves. Got the spanners here, got 16s, very important for oil. Other ones here. These are Milwaukee spanners. These are focus. Brush for dirty, brushy, oily stuff. My old tool check, which I don't really use anymore, but it'll come in handy. A full set of Milwaukee screwdrivers, really thick, really hard wearing. Old spanner. Test tube for agar. Some rolls, some wicks, some oil out wicks, some like picks, really good for cleaning oil out. And yeah, that's about it so far. So like normally consists of just like old tools that you have lying about, you know. What's this here? Bits that you don't really use anymore. So you just like fire them in there like an old screwdriver here, look. But yeah, what do you reckon? If you are an oil engineer or work on oil agars, leave a comment below and tell me what you think I need as well as what I've got here. Oh my god, I'm drenched. Right, enough of that toolbox talk. Let's get straight into this week's episode. If you're ready, big thumbs up as usual, and let's get straight into it. So, I don't want to sound mean or anything, but these people rang me up last night and they said to me, got a leak through the ceiling. I said, right, turn the water off and I'll see you tomorrow morning. So, they've allegedly turned the water off. But they didn't. I'm like, didn't you test if it were off or not? I went, oh, well, I turned the stub top. They didn't try it at the tap or anything. I think there should be like a school lesson or something for people to turn things off. Should be teaching this in schools instead of algebra. So, very simple. Shouldn't have flexes in wall anyway, but we've got them all over. And it's leaking there. So I'll just change this washer. And hopefully it'll be a quick one for us. So the customers turned it off. The subtap's not working. So it's tried. So like meters going around, so it's been leaking all night. So zero problem. Generally when you've got a meter, you can turn it off with this ball fix, it'll do the same job. Can you see that? Fibre in a flex, not good. Not good. Don't know why people do that. It's got rubber in, for God's sake. Oh my god. Wrong box. Oh man. It's miles to the van as well, bastard.
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
I'm back. There's my mission. Right, just make sure the seat's clean. New washer. See it in there. Plastic outlet, so watch how you don't bloody thread it. If you're unsure, always start by going backwards till you hear it click, then you're in. So there's an extra problem here as well. This is passing, but obviously I'm not getting paid for that, so I'll let the landlady know. It'll probably be a return visit, but yeah, for now, that's that side. Anyway, obviously I'm not changing all that. All I can do is advise a minute, but yeah, that's that done. Yo. Right, we're at an exclusive. It seems a bit wet. I don't think it was registered, so there'll be no warranty.
Hey, I'm not surprised, motherfuckers.
So the customer says it ain't working. So let's take it off. Find out what's going on. Right, we're in. A little rusty on the flow. Ooh, very rusty there, look. So we'll look into that, but first let's see why it's not lighting. Oh, let's run a tap, I think, to start with. Somebody turn it off. Why would they turn it off? I hear you ask. Well, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's no spark. So what I'll pull out is the spark tester, and I'll show you. Right. So, if you haven't got one of these, grab one, Amazon. What you need to do, just put it in between. I'll take the lead off the spark. So, what this wants to do, put it on end electrode, like that. That lead onto there. And what this is going to prove is if it's actually giving a spark, it's probably going to give you a little spark, but not loads. So, I'll turn it back on. Won't light away. Have a look. Should restart. I think heating's on. Yep. Right, watch it. Nothing. So that spark generator isn't providing any spark to the electrode. Problem solved. I'm sure I'll go in now. Go again, watch. There you go. So, easy as that. So I'll go get a spark generator. And I'll show you the actual spark going through when I put the new one on. So, just go take that. Right, I'm back. Old one, new one. I'll just bang this on right quick. And I'll show you with the spark gen in. Away it goes. Alright, one sec. Yep. So that's the new one in, right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this light off so you can see. Power back on. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. So that's a way that I prove that the spark generator's gone. So get yourself one of the spark plug, visual, I don't know what they're called. I'll see if I can put a link in the description. But that's the boiler right now, and that's the problem solved. I think I'm going to look at this sump. It doesn't look like it's leaking, but there's obviously some kind of leak here. So we'll look at that next. But yeah, on to the next one. On to the next one. Yo, let me take these off for all the ladies out there. Right, so this one, oh man, I've been dreading this one all week. So this is an immersion change on an unvented cylinder, and it's going to be absolutely roasting in this little cupboard. especially today, because we have, what we got here, 26.5 degrees. Ouch. So yeah, it's going to be red up there. So what I need to do, obviously drain it down, wait 15 years for it to drain off, and yeah, so let's just get straight upstairs and let's get on with it. Boosh. Okay, we be here. Check out the new Milwaukee little area light, 12 volt, can't beat it. Magnetic, I think, yes it is. Oh, right, so we're doing this immersion. He's changing, it's leaking. So what I need to do is drain it. So the easiest way to drain it is from the cold supply, which is here. But what that will leave some water. So they never, you know, I don't know why they don't just make it a bit fucking lower. But yeah, it's going to leave some water there, so I'm going to have to get wet vac and just get the last little bit. But I'm not one to snatch either. I know you guys snatchy dudes, but I've seen some people doing it, not for me. I'm a nervous disposition. So here we go. So first job, hose is on. Let's get it drained. Obviously turn it off first then, so this will isolate the cold in. Good start. Oh god. Right, there we go. Good. So that's going to isolate the cold. And then we'll open a hot tap and we'll start that draining. Let's do that now. I'm surprised that actually worked, to be honest. Jimmy Gums. So I'll get that going. We'll open up and we'll open to PRV. In the meantime, we'll start deassembling the cables in here, make sure it's dead before we start whipping the other one out. But yeah, it's going to be a boring one, this one, guys. Just like takes forever to drain, doesn't it? So I'll amuse myself. A little tip with TPRVs, if you want to hold them open so you're not stood there holding it all the time, put a pound coin in. Put a pound coin in to hold it open. Or if you're a sparky, a few notes will do it. If you saw her over on Instagram, I picked up a new set of rear drivers, so it's the same set that I've had for 6 years, and I only got rid of them because they start to blunt. But yeah, it's probably the best VDE screwdriver set I've ever had, and for 30 quid you can't beat that, you know what I mean? And that's a little pouch. But yeah, these are the best drivers for me, defo. I'll always have a set of these on, so yeah, a little upgrade. Right, so while we're waiting for a lifetime, I'm just going to make this one up here. Now, you'll be thinking, Tom, it's got a big rubber seal on, it don't matter. But it always matters. I always put PTFE and a bit of paste on, even if it has got a big rubber seal, because they can perish. So yeah, bit of paste on. We'll start a big argument online. I do is put paste on first, and then PTFE over the paste. What do you do? Leave a comment below. Tell me how you do it. So yeah, it's ready to rumble whenever we're ready. So yeah, it could be hours yet.
One eternity later.
Right then, PP gang, let's do it together. Be a bit hot, but let's do it. No. Summer, summer, summertime. Oh man, God, I've gone deaf as well. Can't hear all because of this thing. Loud bastard. But that's in. Good. Fuck me, what a job. Honestly, can't stand these at all. Right then, so big nips. Get it wound in and start filling it up. Alright boys and girls, that is it. So new immersion in, not leaking. Happy days. So the reason this was leaking, like I say, it's these rubber washers just fail, you see. Looks like someone's been in before. It's got some grease on that. So I think somebody's been here before and had a go, but like I say, I always just put PTFE and a bit of paste on. It'll just help it along its way, and hopefully now it'll never leak again. That's another one done. That took absolutely ages. So depending on what's next, might catch you back at garage, might catch you on another one. Coming for your PB. Thanks for watching this week's sweaty episode. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. It means the world to me, my ego, and the YouTube algorithm. A few days off this week. We're off to, me and Mrs. P, we're off to go climb Snowdon. So shout out to all my Welsh subscribers.
Subscribe below.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.
Milk was a bad choice.